How you doing, everyone? It's Kevin. I'm back with another video. Not much going on over at Homestead, but we did get some work done this past week. They come in and did the surveying for us, so now we know exactly where the property lines are. I thought I'd share that with you guys. You can see there's one stake there. Then he got me one down over the hill right there. And then you could literally see, it's hard to see with this camera because it's not going to zoom all the way in, but that's the corner post clear down there at the bottom. I know it's hard to see, but maybe we can get down there and show you. But that's a big thing for us, to be able to get the surveying done and know that we're not on somebody else's property. You know, that's a big thing, and especially that being the game lands over there, state game lands, we definitely don't want to get on their property. They will definitely frown on that. So you can see there must have been an old stake already in this ground. He found that stake, which was pretty cool, and it's marked. And you can see a little tree right there off to the left right there. I'd say that's about 4 foot off of that property line. So definitely want to remember where these stakes are. Let's see. I know right there is Rick's property line. Right up here, there's a little stake sticking up in the ground there. It's kind of hard to see it. Let me see if I can. Yeah, right there, you can see that stake right between that curved tree and the straight one there. So ours goes over just a little bit more over this way down the road. So that would be the property line right down through there. And this makes it nice for me to do on the video, because I can always look back on that and see just about where that stake might have been versus that tree to the left. I think it's okay. I think we might get some measurements, but we're going to put some posts in the ground. I'll bring a couple little ones with me, so should be able to get something in the ground. All right, let's drive over to the other corner. All right, we'll just drive to the other one and I'll show you just about how far this goes to the other property, the corner post. And it's kind of weird because the property actually goes right along the road. It goes along the side of the road. So, you know, I really didn't care whether they marked anything along the road because I own right to the road, so that was fine with me. And right there on the right there would be Rick's house, Rick and Peggy. And then there's our driveway going in, right there. So we're going to drive up to the other corner post. And no, I don't have my seatbelt on, but we're just going up to the other corner post property line. So you can see the other stake basically right there in the road. I wanted to get a marker here somewhere. So that's the other side of the property. We just went to the other corner. So I'm going to pull off here and we're going to get out and take a look at it. Alright, so there is our corner post here. And it just goes along the road, so we don't worry about nothing. All we want to do is make a straight line from here over to the other corner on the other hillside where we just came from. We have to go down and then come over. And this one here, I'm looking at it, there's another stake. There's some tags down there in the woods. I can see them down there, barely, but they're down there. Trying to line this one up with something. I see he's got a pin right here in the road, right there, little pin. Just need to figure out how I can measure this to get a nice straight line down through there and still remember basically where this post is, this peg. Alright, what I've done there is right down over the hill I drove another stake. I could barely see that stake down there. I tried to line them up just like as if you was lining up a shotgun, and I think we're close. So I put that bar, that's an old roof bolt, I put it in the ground just to kind of get me close to where I'm supposed to be. I know I'm on my side, but I know we're going to lose this stake right here. And somebody's probably going to run that stake over. And that just says property corner. And that would be it right there. So we just want to stay as close as we can without being on the other side of the property there. I think we're pretty good here. So we'll go down in there and we'll look around for some more stakes and see what it all looks like. Alright, you can see a couple tags he's got right there. He's got one on that tree. That must be right on the property line. And then this tree must be right on the property line. And then I see another tag down here. Let's see if I can find it in the camera. It's hard to see it. So let's go down this way. We'll walk down this way and see if we can. Here you go. See, it actually looks like there might have been a road at one time. Just around the base of this property line, or just right around the property line. It looks like there used to be a road. Now we got a nice tag over here. It says property line. Right there. Get the tag. It's pretty cool. Let's see if I can work my way back around here, because there's a lot of briars and stuff in this, on this side here. I'm going to try to walk down through here and see if we can find another tag. Just kind of follow this property fence line. Yeah, it's busy down through here, I'll tell you. I don't really know which is the easiest way to get through. I guess right through the middle. Not the best. It'll be nice when we get it all cleaned off so we can drive the four-wheeler around it. It will be nice. Man, there's no easy way of getting through here, I can tell you that. Not at all. So we got another mark right there. Right there on that tree. And you can see there's some old barbed wire here. So pretty certain that this is definitely the fence line. So let's go up and move around a little bit further down. When Rick was pushing all that brush, I was hoping he wasn't pushing on the other guy's property, and he doesn't. It's still all on my property, that's good. I don't want to make enemies with no neighbors, that's for sure. So I see another tag down here. It's much easier to walk up this way than it is to walk down by that fence line. This looks like a big old walnut or sassafras, I'm not sure. So that would be a marker there. So it's staying right along that bottom right there. I see another marker down this way. Boy, look at the deer scat, whatever you want to call it, poop. And you got another postmark there. Yeah, this is actually the first time I've been down in here, really, without a bunch of leaves on the trees. Look at this. That is a huge, and I do mean huge, pile of stone. Some more old glass bottles. Look at this here. You know it's old. Look at that. That's one of them old mason jar lids. The metal one. That's an old jar lid there. Look at that. There's some old stuff on this property. I just don't know how old. Let's see what we got down here. We'll just leave that lay there. Look at this. That old stuff. Whatever it is, it's made in. Is that Harvest? Made in the USA. It's just made in the USA right there. It's weird looking. That is a huge, and I do mean huge, pile of stone. I don't know where it all came from. Look at that stone. Bad thing is it's clear at the bottom of the property, but it is still on the property. Right there's the tag. And there's another one on that side. It's definitely still on the property. Lots of beautiful stone. It looks like there's tons and tons of stone in there. Wow. And it's all stone. Oh yeah. It's all stone. That whole pile is nothing but stone. We ought to be able to do something with that. Look at all that firewood. Man, that's a lot of firewood right there. Boy, is that a lot of firewood. Wow. It's already seasoned. Good to go. We got another property marker over there. So let's go up this side. See, he's got the top of all the posts marked up through here. I need to get firewood. I'm gonna be too tired to get firewood. Yeah, we'll take our time. Really would be nice to have some type of road around this whole property line. That way you can bring your trailer and just get your wood as you're moving around the property line. Another stake all marked up through there, tags. Look at that big hanger up there. Just waiting to fall on somebody. That's a big one too. Old ash tree. Another mark. We're basically just staying on the bottom fence line here. Like I said, most of it goes along the road. Besides that one goes straight down. This one here, the second one we went to, goes straight across. And it's pretty nice. Yeah, this is marked out pretty good. There's a lot of fence posts still in the ground, which does help us follow. We put our new fence line in, we can just follow that. Alright, this is the old milk crate. This is where we're at. Right there's our tag. right there. That's going to be our corner post. Now the first road we come in on, we first went to that first tag. I don't know if we can see it from down here. And I doubt it very much. I don't need my other lens. But it goes straight up that way to the road up there. I can actually see it with my naked eye, but I can't see it in the camera. So, the property has been certified. Property lines are all marked. I think we're in good shape. I think we're in good shape. We should have no trouble finding our lines to make sure we're not on somebody else's property. So that's the surveying done. We're in good shape, knowing where all the property is now. So we're gonna get some stakes in the ground and probably start cleaning the fence lines off, just to make sure we can get a few posts in here and there. That way you never know, if something ever happens to me, Julie will know where them property lines are too. So that's about it for today. I don't have a lot for you. I'm just basically going to get some firewood in. I do have a couple things I wanted to talk to you guys about, but we'll leave that in the next video. So I'm going to let you go. You guys take it easy. Have yourself a good new year. So I would like to tell everybody thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, thumbs down, or a comment if you like. So I got a long walk out of here, so I'm going to get to walking. But I'm not going to use this camera no more. So I'll see you guys next time.